sweet apples, tangy sauerkraut, and a splash of apple wine. This isn't your average sauerkraut. We are making classic German Sauerkraut mit Äpfeln, so with apples. Side is so flavorful it might just steal the show from your sausages. And make sure you watch this video till the end because I will share 3 Oma sauerkraut tips. Step 1. Taste and rinse the sauerkraut. If the sauerkraut makes your face do this, rinse it until tap water until milder. Don't worry, it's still gonna be perfectly tangy. Next, we're gonna chop the onions and apples into cubes. Crush your juniper berries and peppercorns and put all the spices into a little infuser or cheesecloth. Trust me, nobody wants to bite into a crushed peppercorn. Now melt your lard in a big pot over medium heat. If you're swapping in for butter like I do, it's okay. Oma wouldn't haunt you. Add your onions and apples and fry until the onions turn translucent. That's where the flavor magic happens. Then add your sauerkraut and fry for another 2 minutes. We are waking it up before the apple wine spot treatment. Pour in your apple wine, give it a good stir and drop in your spice infuser. Cover with a lid, turn the heat down and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And now it's time to do a German thing. Clean everything while you wait. Or better, I clean everything. And you hit that like button. Thank you very much. And now the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you. First of all, don't skip the rinse. It balances the flavor perfectly. Use apple wine, not apple juice. The wine gives the dish a depth. If you can, let it rest overnight. The sauerkraut tastes better the day after. Look at this. This is comfort food German edition. If this doesn't make you smile, you probably need more apple wine. And at this point, if you wonder how the Germans eat sauerkraut traditionally, please watch this video next.